10 Simple Beauty Hacks for a Radiant Glow. Hi Pearl Beauties! Today, I'm sharing 10 beauty hacks that will give you that radiant glow effortlessly. Let's dive in and make beauty simple, serene, and oh so you. Hack 1. Use a cold jade roller in the morning to reduce puffiness and boost circulation. Hack 2. Mix a little highlighter with your moisturizer for a subtle, all-day glow. Hack 3. Store your eye cream in the fridge, it feels amazing and works wonders on tired eyes. Hack 4. Add a few drops of facial oil to your foundation for a dewy finish. Hack 5. Use green tea bags as under-eye masks to brighten tired eyes. Hack 6. Apply Vaseline to your wrists before spraying perfume to make the set last longer. Hack 7. Brush your lips gently with a toothbrush and apply lip balm for a smooth, hydrated pout. Hack number 8. Sleep on a silk pillowcase to prevent hair frizz and wrinkles. Hack 9. Use coconut oil as a quick fix for dry cuticles and skin. Hack 10. Create a DIY face mist by mixing rose water and a few drops of essential oil. Which hack was your favorite, Pearl Beauties? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more serene beauty tips. Stay beautiful and serene, bye for now.